Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you some cards that I made, not so much using dies, but using card kits. So the first one I want to show you is this magazine, and it's one of the UK magazines. It's called Cardmaking and Papercrafts, and it's this is like a monthly, well, not monthly, but it's a subscription. I think you get it like every 3 months or so. And it's really good. It always comes with a whole bunch of goodies. And it gives you a lot of inspiration on what cards to make. Like, I really, really like it. It gives you like little tutorials. So this one is issue number, what is this? 196 for June. Okay, and it came with it actually came with a stamp set. Let's see. Okay, here we go. So it came, I guess it's the fairy tales. It's all about fairies. So it came with a fairy tales stamp set. Look how pretty. Oops, sorry. I haven't used the stamp yet. And then it came with all these extra pieces. So you get all these like cutouts, which is perfect because it's like right there. You could just make a card. And obviously I used some of these already. And then it also comes with paper. So every month, well, again, not every month. I think it's like every 3 months or so. Every time you get the magazine, you get like a little gift and like a theme. But this magazine is really good. I think they sell this also in Barnes & Noble. And I'm not sure if Michael sells it. But anyway, with this June card making kit, I just made 2 cards. Just wanted to come and show you real quick. So I made this one using all the cutouts, using their paper. And it opens like this. And it says, for a special friend. And that's where I guess you write your message. Isn't that cute? I love this one. And then I made this one. Again, also using all the cutouts and all the paper. Same thing. This one says birthday wishes, and that's where you write your sentiment. And they just make really fast cards because, like I said, it comes with everything. But these are the 2 cards I made with the card making kit. I'm also in the subscription for Spellbinders. And I'm not going to show you the reveal because I'm sure you guys seen this already. But it's this one right here. And it's for the month of June. It's the card kit. It's called Super Chill. And it's so cute. It has the little balloon dog, which is super, super adorable. And this is another kit that comes with a lot of stuff. So what I've been doing is I have these like envelope things, and every month that I get a card kit, I just label it. And it comes with a lot of stuff. Everything you need to make a card. So with that one, I made this easel card. Isn't it cute? And I used a little balloon dog. And it stands like this, which is super, super easy. So cute. I love it. But yeah, guys, these were my 3 fast cards using card kits. Look at this little balloon dog. Isn't he adorable? So freaking cute. But yeah, this is it for now. I just wanted to come and show you just a little projects using card kits. But I hope you guys like it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.